So the first step in setting up a flood table is leveling it out, and it's actually not perfectly level. The goal is to make this the lowest point, but not by much, and you'll see that I still have water in this, and that's because this is a tray for going under a rabbit cage and not as a flood and drain tray. Flood and drain tray would have a nice sump where all the water would run down to that point. Here's what a 60-second flood and drain looks like. So it basically fills up until water starts draining out the exit or the outlet, and that outlet is a bigger tube than the inlet, and you can see the pump does not really push that fast. So here we're reaching about the maximum, and now underneath you can see water is going down the outlet, and that's going to hold that level. I should have put a tray in here with a brick in it to show how high it goes on the tray. Maybe I'll do that another time. So now water is going down the outlet, down the drain, fairly quickly, and now the pump stopped. So what is happening now is it's draining back through the pump inlet and through the outlet. And the pump inlet, I actually have drilled some holes through the threaded part to drain it to the very lowest point, which is the top of the fitting that goes through the tray. So there it is, draining little by little, and you can adjust the height. This is the outlet. You can turn it and the threads rise or lower as you need it. The inlet, you probably want to screw that down, except because I've drilled some holes through the threaded part, I raise it up a little bit so that can be the lowest point drain. So that's it. That's a 60-second run of the flood and ebb tray.